In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Trello boards using Fluentpro. Ensuring your Trello boards are safely backed up is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data and protecting your project timelines from any unexpected loss. So, let's dive straight into this straightforward process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Fluentpro backup website. This is your starting point for securing all the important information that resides on your Trello boards. Once you're on the website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Next, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the button that says Next, Add Environment. This step is essential as it sets up the framework where your Trello boards will be saved. Here, you'll start to see the connections forming between your Trello account and Fluentpro. Now, go ahead and click on Trello. By selecting Trello, you're designating it as the primary environment you wish to back up. At this stage, it's important to ensure that you're logged into the correct Trello account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. When you see the option to connect, click on the Connect button. This action initiates the authentication process, which gives Fluentpro access to your Trello boards. Don't worry, this is a secure procedure and it's necessary for the backup process to work seamlessly. You'll then be prompted to allow the connection from Trello's side. Click on Allow. This step is vital as it grants the necessary permissions for Fluentpro to access and manage the backup process. Rest assured, this authorization is secure and limited to the backup functionality. After granting permissions, click on Continue. This will ensure that all settings and permissions are finalized and you're ready to progress to the next steps of the backup process. Following this, go ahead and click Next. By doing this, you're moving towards the final stages of setting up your backup. Take a moment here to review all the previous steps to confirm that everything looks good. Now it's time to save your settings. Click on Save. This finalizes your setup and locks in your environment settings, so Fluentpro knows exactly how and where to back up your Trello data. Saving the configuration is a crucial step in making sure that no data is left unsecured or forgotten. Lastly, you'll see the option to click OK. This confirms that your backup process is now fully configured and running. Congratulations, your Trello boards are now backed up securely with Fluentpro, giving you peace of mind and protection against any data mishaps. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to secure your Trello boards with Fluentpro. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever necessary, and share this useful guide with your colleagues who also rely on Trello for project management. Thanks for watching, and happy backing up.